mago bengi omwanchu muligerere bageta seni kya Ndizi TV Chinsa ni Ikomi tukulia Jumapili shitariki nibere omutenyino yokana omwaka bw'ekirubibere na merongo ebere na isato ekero nyegenete ng'ali tukulia ondigendere tokuira buya anene ase abakristo korwase dini yege katoliki ekero litikulia rero lire Jumapili ya makendo ekero mogendete gusanga sevirisia ao elio kumanya mange igoro yeli tukeliga chinga kieche bano mwanchu muligereria abarai korwazimio la umoja wa Kenya nigona barabo baikeranire ase kanisa emo imeya Ruiru county ya Kiambu na kwaraganirie atalimake ase bali mogotobwati ase nchira ye mitandao no tolebuna Ndizi TV News Digital abona nsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya YouTube na ende nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News kuirana ndebono asegekege kekerebosyo ageranko manye ayo amana yanda mange ase nchira yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita kabamo na inche wika omwelio ekerobono tuguchaka kurwase county ya Nyamira abwa sabaraibe chikanisa ao litikolia rero baumerana asobwamo bakora wanomo vasia elikana omwenga na Reverend Abel Anene au babulri muraibe kiama kiazimio la umoja wa Kenya Raila Odinga amono muraibe ense Dr. William Ruto gokwanirana libaga lyokorobelia maandamano litikolia ankyo abwa sabatebira maandamano no korobekana niko kubwate amabe amange asibaboliwe kobeka siasa chiabe nsemo na koligerelia bakenya asentunde ntangani kigima na gokora chinkwana elio kwenekyo morembe asense ya Kenya mulikito mangana maye job mangi kurwase county ya Nyamira na agenda tukubwate roboti rwa senchira yoboime kulende ebinabye birengerelio byabarai abwo
tobaminto bonsi ense ngima kwa jumla Kenya ngima amandamana etoroche agendrete asense ntekeguna ntwa abapasa ni utokugikeria ngegentekenekebe na endo mugakoria tigate atebigweke nenganki amandamano onyuko yakora kini nchirengiya
amani kwanza Kisii vile hatuchaona jambo lolote ambalo linaturu mtu tunasema ni asante kwa sababu Mungu ametushika mkono. Bia nchi yetu ya Kenya tukiwa na furugu iwezi kuendelea.
Kwamba kuna maandamano makuu Jumatatu ijayo. Ni ombi letu kama kanisa ya kwamba mzee Raila Odinga pamoja na Daktari Samoei Ruto pamoja na kabineti yake wale ambao wana roho ya uchungu sana kwamba hawataki kuona maongezi. Wenzangu, maongezi ndio huleta suluhu. Ni vizuri hawa kikaa pamoja ili waone mwelekeo ni upi na isikue mambo na kutafuta kwamba kuingia kwa serikali, lakini kusahihisha yale ambayo yanasababisha nchi yetu inaelekea mahali pa umwagikaji wa damu.
Engana bune yumwanchu muligereria nigo ya irwe chinguru nensemo ya babwatani korase kyombegia Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops abo babolrie Raila Odinga gotenenia maandamano ayo aroberere gokorekana litukulia ankyo nigo boigo bagikeirie obosalia bwakorekana se county ya Kisumu amone county ya Nairobi asibabolrie Dr. William Ruto wanjira na gutwara chinkwana na Raila Odinga asobya abwaba Kenya nigo baya kwanaya ase county ya Mombasa ekerobagendrete gochengera lituko lie Jumapili ya makendo asensemeyo.
We ask our president, as we already did before, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, in all humility, to bend his heart and feel for our country. We ask Honorable Raila Omolo Odinga to hear the cry of the many Kenyans, including his own supporters, who have desperately want peace, the peace path. We as Catholic bishops with Kenya people has asked to plead now to our leaders and Kenyans for the following. We are entering a most sacred time of Holy Week. We just walked this Palm Sunday. And our brothers and sisters want to commemorate the major events of their Christianity. Our Muslim brothers also and sisters are also in the holy month of Ramadan. So we greatly are disappointed when you continue to do demonstrations that destroy property and demonstrations that hurt people. We cannot take it any longer. And we plead to our leaders to respect this holy time by suspending demonstrations for the respect to God, who they claim to give honor and have been totally ignored and even mocked.
Mwancho muligereria toirane goikase bunge abo basi abo somoroberio bokorwa abasemia gochiasa borokiwa oyogendrete gokoreka ase skuru ya Nyamagwa Mixed Secondary School moroberio areganirie korwa bisi yo Women Rep County ya Kisii omosubati Donya Doris Toto abo ase skuru emie monaisano korwa ase sub county kianda ase county ya Kisii abo asaboroki wetania chirwinye baikirana asomoroberio bwerituko liarero boigo abarai ao gati abo mabunge okitutu masaba Cliff Gisairo omo senator omachore ezi ekenyuri na boigo Kongo mogeni na bwabagani besiko bagendrete kwenana obosemi obwo ochiase aboroki wabwo echioro chomwancho muligereria nechibicha mnana ki omorobiri yogendrete asa aboroki wakorwa chiskuru ao ase county ya Kisii molikito Mildred Momanyi ngo kwareganeria roboti urwa senchera yoboime asa mangana itamaya ye Chinsa chikobwatia. Aba bwatani ao korwa se chinyomba chioboraria nigo baumeranire asoma bogani oyomo okwanera igoro yebikore byabariki ao banyarako baba gosaganwa gochaka litukulia maandamano achagete gokorekana asense ya Kenya asabariki abange banyarako baba gotigerwa chingo machintindi abandi bagendete konyora okobwena gokwana nabariki bamangana nigo batebire bachire nimero bili mekeranu kwene kiabune bikore bunebyo mbirigo cha kwene kiwanaende asa maandamano arache gokoreka lituko lya ankyo aiga sense ya Kenya.
We call upon all actors in Kenya to stop profiling and attacking of journalists, as any attack on journalists is an attack on our democracy. Number 5, we demand that the Director of Public Prosecutions and the Inspector General of the Police and the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to ensure accountability for all threats and violence against journalists through impartial, prompt, thorough, and independent and effective investigations. We call upon them to bring to book the perpetrators behind these attacks while ensuring access to effective remedies and compensation to the victims.
We demand that the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, addresses the nation to give an update on the status of investigation so far and plan for prosecution of the attackers. In this regard, we hereby issue a statement to the DPP, a 7-day ultimatum to deliver a statement on the status of investigations and prosecution of those culpable. We also ask upon the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, to update on the nation on the status of investigations of police brutality against our journalists.
Aba bwatani korwa sekiembe yechindemero aiga Kenya was the National Land Commission aba teneneri korwa se committee ye bunge yuetenere tamangana yechindemero amonomo waziri wechindemero Zakaria Njeru litukolia lero mbanyara ko baba gutarira bamenyi korwa sensemo ya gosaba menyi ase county ya Tana River eliokorole mechando bagwetera ase mangana ya marimo asensemeyo nyole county ya Tana River nigo yali kire bikore binge byamarimo abwaba menyi banyorira makongwa mange asekelia buna abangi babo mbabwatie chi title deed kolengana na Njeru niga abanekeire abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo mono abamenyi bagamba abo asatebire nache kwene kyankonyora bali chi title deed anengo korare emechando ya marimo asensemeyo.
Sisi kama wanasalama tunahitaji title deed zetu,
lakini saa hii tunataka mtuwekee timeline na registrar mtupatie, ili tukae sisi community yetu wakuwe registered, watu wapate stakabadhi zao.
Kama ingekuwa tumemaliza mambo ya registration ya land Tana River, huwezi kusikia pengine kuna matatizo ati kabila hii inazungumza mabaya kuhusu kabila hii.
And we are trying to solve one issue after the other. Hawa washatupeleka sisi kotini, migogano yao wanashtaki pamoja na county government, na tumeenda huko, we have spent money kujitetea. Makosa mengine ni ya zamani yalifanya,
na tunataka ili tufanye vile sheria inataka. Hizi memorandum zinafaa zipewe county government, ndio county government wa fill ile CLA form, ndio zitumane kama memorandum kwa waziri. So sitaki turuke step ndio tena turudi tena tuchukue vitu zifike Nairobi tena tuzirudishe kwa county.
So tunaomba tu watu waandikishwe hii makaratasi ili watu waweze kuwa na urithi wao wenyewe.
Jambo ambalo nataka kuhakikishia na tuko hapa na viongozi wote wanaohusika na hii sekta ya ardhi, ni tuweze kuona kwamba wananchi wanapata haki.
Okongusana na ogotindi igoro yoburai nigo kugendete kwenekigwa asensema ya Methodist Church of Kenya abu asabarai bamuganirie omo Reverend Joseph Ntombura korwa suburai ekigeri bagoteba buna nigentunde ya yoburai yaigetomo elio abu asaraire kanisa eyo asegeka kimyaka 10 bono abu asenaende aetanirie asegeka kimyaka 2 kolende gokwana na baliki bamang'ana Reverend Joseph Ntombura nigatebire nigagendrete koba omo bishop we kanisa yo ya Methodist weika entunde ya elire omo elio bwa mwaka oyo asabega ene kire buno bugima bwaya nigobora kongu kobwatekana nengusanano egendrete ko ene kigwa ase kanisa yo.
Still the presiding bishop of the Methodist Church in Kenya, constitutionally and procedurally, I am still in the office because what has been done is not fair and it's a coup d'etat that is not acceptable in terms of the world and also in terms of even the kingdom of God. I have received a lot of insults. They have used a lot of falsehood. Some of these people are capable of doing anything. And there is no way someone would not be, protective of his life because you don't know whom you are dealing with. You know, in the church, it's not all saints. We have some people there who appear to be sheep, but they are they are leopards in sheep's skin. I've never sold anything in order to make my life comfort. If we wanted to do any project, we raised that money ourselves, and it was not for eating. So one of the surprising things is that they are coming to the office, like the coup plotters are coming to the office to discover that our finances have never been adequate because of the many loans.
Nomo Senator Kakamega Boni Halwale nigaorokirie ogotago kigwa kwaye maiga yege koro ekemo abasomo MCA korwa sensema ya kwisero anyartko baga kubetua omoyo na gusiro bugima bwa yeri tkuligoro ase gotebekana bunano gotaiwanana gatia babwatani bo mo MCA yo amona babwatani ibo mobunge oyo mokorwa sensema yo kolengana na Halwale nigaganirio botuki bwaigoro bonyarko baboko korwa asaburirie abo bisaba banyanyimbo gochakero mokonyi bo mugambi goiko mugambi amona abo bisaba nene be serikali banyariko baba gwikirani botuki boisaine na bali baikiranetie ekebekyo koimokeriwe getambo kerege tindi kieri chiko kolengana na Halwale niko baiga mentire goteba buna ogotaiwana na kwage siasa ngo gocha kogera barai bachake gosiria magima abo encherenga buneyo.
Hakuna mtu ambaye anaweza kubali kwamba kiongozi auawe kwa sababu anazuiliwa kwenda kuzungumza katika mkutano wa hadhara. Wakipanga vile mkutano wa leo utafanyika. Na tumepata screenshots kwa mtandao wa simu ambao zinaonyesha kwamba yenye imefanyika leo ilipangwa jana. For that reason, mimi kama kiongozi wa jamii hapa, I am demanding the following. The security team, starting from the assistant chief to the chief to the policeman mpaka mkubwa wa polisi yule mama anaitwa Joyce, wote waandikishe statement kuhusu mkutano wa jana na ni kwa nini leo wakati maneno iliharibika the police stood there watching without taking action. Wale vijana ambao tuko na picha zao katika hii msukumo wakimpiga mheshimiwa na baadaye kumdunga kisu, hao vijana must be arrested now. I demand as the Senator of Kakamega and as a Luhya leader that Member of Parliament of Khwisero is no longer honorable, he must be arrested. Aseka sasa wewe sio ndugu yetu. Aseka sasa wewe sio mheshimiwa. Wewe ni mtu ambaye uko na damu mikononi mwako. Ni lazima vyombo vyetu vya usalama vihakikisha kwamba Aseka ameshikwa ndio utulifu ipatikane katika hii kijiji na jamii ya Khwisero.
Mwancho murigereria narayo asebono asenchira yo bwenge kurenda mange asenchira yo boikirano nekero ekuraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko ne Chinsa isato cyo botuko bwarero igoto baisa gusuka ko Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwo Gusii asibali mwensi mwato bwatire gwetera asenchira ye mitandao to wakangambe yamono Facebook no togendrete ko babuna Ndizi TV News digital na baigansema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na bali bago tweet na mwakora boigo at Ndizi TV News asegeka egekekerobosyo ngochimole kumerana noyo minto Joseph Mokokoti asomorobelyo motingu wemisa Jumapili Nyarangi naendelero ne Jumapili ya makendo na achigutumanye asobwamo nga ninki emineti ritukeligali ya makendo ose Palm Sunday asenchira yoboikiranu kigima bayigo nachiko bana bageni baye gusabageni begetaseni kya Ndizi TV asobwamo oyo minto Godfrey Onyando oyoromo choir master amono musubati Elizabeth Gesare oyoromo member na ndebonsi nigobale abanchani gobono mwanchi muri ato baisa gosuke kyagera numero bili chiko bwatanse asegekegeke kerebosyo to baisa gosuka enero Ndizi TV obwansu bwo Gusii olito baterana komo kwenekia onsi awikeira senchira ya maliogi chibicha asemetandao goikase nka yaoga bwase TV yao nigakorwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkorwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita tuaroboligereria borobya ime ya Ndizi TV.